Hey y'all, so we back with another episode, little shimmy, little something. Yes, I hope you guys are having a good day. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Mikara Reid, and I hope you are going to enjoy this episode. Well, we will be talking about Rihanna's luxury clothing line, FENTY, that is partnered with LVMH. Is actually closing down. This is like very interesting to me. A source, which is the business of fashion, I have it right on the screen. They titled it "What Went Wrong," but I don't know. I know about it because I'm a fan of Rihanna's personal style. I've definitely, have always been interested in what she is wearing, what she has on all throughout her career. I'm definitely a fan of her personal style. If someone were to ask me, are you a Beyonce type of style girl or are you a Rihanna? I'm definitely more on the Rihanna side. I'm definitely more on the risque type of fashion. I'm willing to take risk, but her fashion line, when it came out, I definitely remember when I was at the Real Real, I definitely vouched, to push that brand through because it was brand spanking new. And they wasn't really standing it. They thought it was going to be like a fast fashion. It was going to be here today, going tomorrow type of thing. But no, I pushed it through for it to be in the system. But when stuff was like kind of coming in, and she was dropping new pieces, every month, every 2 months. Like it was kind of scattered, and I just did not grasp the pattern of when she was releasing, because I felt like she was kind of like mixing in the fast fashion elements but still have luxury standards. So I don't know. I just couldn't really grasp that, especially with, there are some people out there who really, really appreciate luxury fashion. And if you are not too privy with what the difference is of luxury fashion versus fast fashion, luxury fashion definitely prides itself on the quality of material, especially, their customer service, how they cater to you. You're not just paying for, their pricing, their name, but they actually have like heritage, their integrity, their customer service, the longevity of the actual products. The bulk of it is definitely within the product, because they definitely pride themselves, luxury brands pride themselves of, luxury small goods, which are purses and wallets. I mean, listen to half of, music today. They're shouting out these luxury brands, and they definitely rocking like their handbags. So luxury brands definitely pride themselves of small leather goods, and with the economy what it's going through right now, it's definitely very, very hard for imports to come in. Things are not really flowing. I've been working on a couple of projects with some small brands, and even though it costs more for a smaller bulk, at least you're safe and that you're actually getting your product, because everything is getting done right in the U.S. versus, getting stuff done overseas. The whole world is suffering when it comes to fabric sourcing. Like it's the scarcity, and on top of that, you still are dealing with shipping it over, which is like a whole other topic. Now, for those who want a better understanding when it comes to fast fashion is pretty much, for the masses. It's catered. It does not have a specific catering. It prides itself for, everyone having the look. It's very trendy. It copies off of, the originators, I would say. And it just doesn't have like a true, it doesn't have a true signature thing. It just rolls with the punches. Whatever the it fashion is in the high end, they will replicate it and do a knockoff. And on top of that, the quality of the clothing just only lasts you for a couple of wears, because certain people wear stuff very often. Some people they kind of space it out, but I base it off of wears because everyone's lifestyle is different. So that is definitely the difference between fast fashion and luxury fashion. And back to Rihanna's clothing line. Yeah, I just found it very, very interesting. When I saw this on Business of Fashion, I definitely went on like the actual Instagram. Her last post was actually January 1st. So I was just like, yeah, this is, I mean, if I was following the Instagram, which I'm not really like active on Instagram very much, but yeah, she kind of gave a dead giveaway because she's very active on Instagram. She's definitely active on her own personal, but I don't know. I thought when she first, I'm gonna say the first like 6 months, 6 to 8 months when she was releasing stuff, when I actually saw the denim corset dress, you know, your body is snatched. You have to get the right size. Like, it has to fit your body. But the corset dress, I thought would be like the signature piece. Like, I mean, the signature piece. But I don't know. It just did not catch to the market. I don't know what it was. Like, she was just pushing, I just feel like she was pushing a lot of different categories at the same time instead of just staying for one. Like, when you think of Burberry, what do you think of? You definitely think of trench coats and that checker. Like, they have like a signature piece. When you think of Chanel, you think of handbags. Like, there's just a signature something, and they all build off of that. Versus her, I don't know, like I said earlier in this video, she did a lot of fast fashion elements, and it with partnered with some luxury, and I don't think that's a good mix. Yeah, I really thought the signature piece would be that denim corset dress, because later she did do like a faux leather type of, and that, I don't know, that didn't really stick with me personally. But the denim one, yeah, I was like, this is it. The sunglasses are cool. I definitely purchased that as well. But I don't know. It just did not really, yeah, none of the pieces really stick. I did not see much people on the streets, you know, wearing it, unless it was on Instagram. But yeah, I don't know. We'll see what's to come for Rihanna. But yeah, they are definitely closing it down. The one, her space in Bergdorf and Goodman is definitely closed down in New York City. I'll pass by there after I seen this article, and yeah, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. So we'll see if she's going to shut this down and maybe like re-strategize and see where she went wrong and maybe pick this back up as far as luxury, or is she going to go, you know, the fast fashion route? Who knows? We will see. I definitely will still be a fan of Rihanna's personal style. She is definitely my type of girl. Okay, now if you guys have not registered for building your fashion brands with myself and Lanice Collier, we will be teaching you how to start your fashion brand from scratch. I will be doing the portion where I will be talking about brand development, where you will have some help on, you know, identifying what category you want to start out with, packaging, what's your uniqueness, how to do market research, your ideal clientele, and she will be doing, you know, the pattern making and the design production and telling you how to, you know, actually put that stuff into true execution. So if you guys are interested, the link is right in my bio, my description. And if you have any questions, definitely hit me up, because we are definitely going to be giving you $3,000 worth of game. We're going to get y'all out there. But until next time, definitely like, comment, and share the video, and definitely subscribe, because we're gonna get right into it. We are definitely gonna get right into it. Y'all let me know down in the comments down below. You know what, I'm not even sure if I want to do the comment thing, because YouTube, y'all spammers, y'all bots is really just tearing up my comment section, and it's just a bunch of craziness. I'm not sure, but definitely hit a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, because I will be cranking out some more content. All right, my name is Mikara Reid. I will talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.